Where?
So, what are you doing today?
I'm doing an experiment to see if salt water freezes faster than or slower than fresh water.
So why are you doing that? What was your observation?
Well, it was that the sea doesn't freeze as quickly as ponds and places which are sort of fresh water.
Fresh water?
Yeah.
So the sea is what kind of water?
Salt.
Okay. And ponds and rivers and things?
Yeah, those are some kind of fresh water.
Fresh water, they're fresh water. Okay. So what is your question?
Well, my question is, why does fresh water freeze quickly?
Freeze what? I can't hear.
Quickly.
Quickly. Or more quickly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Than salt water.
Okay, good. And what's your testable hypothesis?
Well, my hypothesis is that salt water freezes slower.
More slowly, yeah?
Yeah.
Because?
Well, because the salt water, I think it acts sort of like a layer that interrupts it from freezing.
Okay, so what is it in the seawater?
Salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
Okay, so salt interrupts the freezing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, interesting. Okay. And so what are you going to do then? How are you going to do that? How are you going to find out?
I got 2 cups, filled one with fresh water and one with salt water.
Yeah. And what do you think is going to happen?
Well, I think the fresh water is going to freeze more quickly.
Okay. So, okay, that's good. So you're going to time it?
Yes.
Okay. And how long are you going to do it?
About 2 hours.
Okay. So, what do you need for your experiment?
A cup.
One.
2 cups.
Yeah.
Salt.
Okay.
Water.
Yeah.
A spoon.
Yeah.
And a freezer and a timer.
And a timer. Okay. What's your method? How are you going to do it?
Well, what do you mean by that?
Well, what are you doing with the cups and the water and the salt?
Well, I'm putting the same amount of water in both cups.
How much?
And put 100 milliliters.
Okay, in each cup.
Yes, and then I'm putting 3 grams of salt in one of the cups.
3 or 3.5?
3.5 grams of salt.
Why that much?
Well, that's the amount of water that is in the. Well, not really the amount of water that's in the sea, but.
No, the amount of salt?
Yeah, that's the amount of salt that's in every 1,000 grams, I think.
Well, did we look at how much salt is in a litre
Yeah.
seawater?
Yeah.
And we did a calculation.
Yeah.
It was 35 grams
Yeah.
per litre.
Yeah.
So we divide that by 10.
Yeah. So we divided by 10.
100 millilitres is 3.5 grams.
Yeah.
Is that right? I think that's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Then what did we do?
So then we haven't done it yet, but we're gonna put the cups in the freezer and then wait 2 hours. And then when it's finished, we're gonna see which one is frozen, which one hasn't. But we're gonna check on it like every 30 minutes to see if one is already frozen.
Okay.
Because if one is already frozen, it'll probably be the fresh water, and if
That's your prediction.
if it's frozen, well, my prediction would be right, and as well, it would prove that the fresh water is free. It can freeze quicker.
We'll find out. Let's pause now.
Yeah.